how to make a Booking.com account. So this is the main page of Booking.com, and right here in the top right corner we want to select register. So it will ask us for an email address that we can use to register with. So I'm just going to do my throwaway email, and we just have to select continue with email. Now right here we have to set a password. So just create some secure password and click on create account. We have to change it. And we select create account, like I said. So as you can see, we have different Genius levels, which basically means that you will get different offers and discounts. So the more you book and the more you use this website, the better rewards you will receive. So right here, we can just exit out of this. And now if we want to search for a property or something to book, then all we gotta do is use the search engine. I have a tutorial on this as well. And all we gotta do is select the hotel, and then you will be taken to another page, and you have to click on I'll reserve after you have selected how many rooms you would like to reserve. So the account creation process for Booking.com is super simple. So I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.